Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a crucial component for any serious workstation or server build, the Micron 32GB DDR5 ECC registered DMM. This isn't your average gaming RAM. This module is built for stability, reliability, and data integrity. Let's break down the specs. We're looking at a 32GB capacity, which is ample for demanding applications, virtual machines, or running multiple services on a server. It's a DDR5 module, the latest generation of RAM, offering significant improvements in speed and efficiency over DDR4. This particular stick runs at 5,600 MHz, also known as PC5-44800, providing a substantial bandwidth for data-intensive tasks. The CL46 latency might raise an eyebrow for some, especially those coming from the gaming world where lower latency is king. However, it's important to remember the context. This is ECC registered RAM, designed for servers and workstations where data accuracy is paramount. The slightly higher latency is a trade-off for the error correction capabilities. ECC, or error correcting code, is the key feature here. It detects and corrects single-bit errors in memory, preventing crashes and data corruption. Registered DIMMs add another layer of stability by buffering the control signals, reducing the load on the memory controller. This is especially important in systems with multiple RAM modules. The 1.1V operating voltage is standard for DDR5, contributing to its energy efficiency. This is a welcome change, especially in servers that run 24/7. Lower voltage means less heat and lower power consumption, which translates to cost savings and a longer lifespan for your components. Now, who is this RAM for? If you're building a high-performance gaming rig, this might not be the ideal choice. Gamers typically prioritize lower latency and may not need the error correction capabilities of ECC RAM. However, if you're building a server, a workstation for scientific computing, video editing, or any application where data integrity is critical, this Micron DDR5 ECC registered DMM is an excellent option. Think about it. A single memory error in a financial transaction, a scientific simulation, or a video render could have disastrous consequences. ECC RAM provides peace of mind, knowing that your system is protected against these errors. The installation is straightforward, just like any other DMM. Make sure your motherboard supports DDR5 ECC registered memory, and consult your motherboard manual for the correct installation slots. In conclusion, the Micron 32GB DDR5 ECC registered DMM is a solid choice for professionals and enthusiasts who demand the utmost stability and data integrity from their systems. While the CL46 latency might not be ideal for gaming, the error correction and registered features make it a worthwhile investment for servers, workstations, and any application where data accuracy is paramount. It's a reliable and efficient module that will keep your system running smoothly, even under heavy workloads.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.